Okay, part 2. Draw your runoff. Draw some kind of storage area. Add a sun. Add some clouds. We're ready to talk about the water cycle. I'm recording. I'm going to go on ahead and add some water droplets. I don't care if you do hail, ice, snow, or sleet. It's your choice. Okay, when water rises into the air, what do we call it?
Evaporation.
Evaporation. When that water then, or excuse me, what happens next? What happens next, Station A?
Precipitation.
Not precipitation, not yet. Condensation. What is condensation? What is condensation, Butler?
Condensation is when the water vapor turns into a cloud.
Water vapor from the evaporation turns into a cloud. It forms water droplets. When those water droplets get too heavy, what's going to happen?
They drop, which is precipitation.
Mm-hmm. And after precipitation, it could fall into your storage. Or what else could it do? It could hit this runoff right here. Woo, woo. And it goes into the lovely ocean. Yay! What is this called again?
Water cycle.
Oh, wait. What is this part specifically called again?
Storage.
So close. I'm talking about this right here, guys, where the water's coming down. There we go. It's runoff. It runs into what?
Accumulation.
Either accumulation. What's another word?
Storage.
What's another word?
Collection.
3 different words. Storage, accumulation, or collection. I'm going to write storage. There is one part I've left off so far. We have a plant here. He's got a nice little leaf. When a plant, let me use this pen, sorry. When a plant gives water to condensation, what is that called? Starts with a T.
Transpiration.
Transpiration. I have to zoom way in to get this thing written, so 1 second. For alternative energy, biofuels is energy made from living things. Highlight that part. I had to break out my highlighter. Energy made from living things. Or waste that living, excuse me, that living things produce. Waste is the poop.
Ew.
Just saying.
Ew.
Examples are fuel made from dead plants and animals, and fuel made from vegetable oil. For wind energy, it is made using wind. We talked about wind turbines out in West Texas. You guys know what windmills are?
Yes.
Same thing.
Are we going to have to study this?
Yes, you are going to have to study.
Yeah.
Solar energy comes from the
Sun.
Hydroelectricity comes from
Water.
water. What part of that word tells you it comes from water?
Hydro.
Geothermal comes from the...
Heat.
It is heat that comes from the...
Heat of the earth.
Geo means earth. Thermal means...
Heat.
Renewable or non-renewable? Are these renewable? Or non-renewable? They are renewable. We're going to have to write our next part. We're going to go over to rotation. Objects rotate on their own. The Earth completes its rotation. Its rotation every blank hours. 24. Rotation is caused by blank and the blank. Rotation causes what? The rotation of the Earth causes what? Night and day. Revolution. Revolution is when an object goes blank another object. Mia.
Around.
Thank you, ma'am. The Earth revolves around the sun every blank. Every blank. You could sum this up in one word if you wanted to. Deshane?
24 hours. What? No, it doesn't.
Not 24 hours. Bobby?
365 days.
365 days.
Oh, I didn't read the question.
365 days is what?
1 year.
1 year. What is a big block of ice that can erode land called? Ocean?
Glacier.
Yes, sir. Wind can erode the land, causing blank and blank. These are two different landforms. What does wind blowing cause? What landform? Jaden? Sand dunes. That's what goes in these last two blanks. They can also cause canyons. Oops. Space.
I thought water did that.
Water also causes canyons. Usually a canyon has a river. It's very seldom when one is created by wind, but it can be.
The Grand Canyon.
Grand Canyon is created by a river running through it. Yes, Station A. Food chains show how energy is transferred. From one organism to another. There points to who is getting the energy, to who gets the energy. Food webs are more complex. They're harder than a food chain. It has many different organisms interacting and gaining energy.